Hi friends, when you look at this shining white crystalline powder, you may think of salt or sugar, but it is called as MethylSulfonylMethane or simply MSM. You may think that it is a chemical or have some side effects, but the fact is MSM is simply sulfur-rich compound which is present in all of us and almost all the food items. Examples of MSM-rich foods are onion, garlic, cauliflower, eggs, meat, legumes, milk and cheese. So MSM is just like a vitamin and it has no side effects when taken in recommended dosage. Here we will not use it internally, we will just use it externally. You might have heard of applying onion juice to hair for hair growth. It is the sulfur in onion juice that activates hair follicles. In this, we are using MSM which has better amount of sulfur, doesn't stink like onion and easy to apply anytime, anywhere on the go. I am going to make a simple hair spray that you can use it easily. Let's start with 50 ml of water. 50 ml is around 1/4 cup of water. It is better to use purified bottled water due to its longer shelf life and free from pathogens. To this, simply add 5 grams of MSM powder. In the brand that I am using, they have given a scoop. 1 scoop is equal to 1 gram. So, we need to add 5 scoops which is 5 grams. The maximum internal dosage of MSM is 6 grams per day. But here we are taking only 5 grams and we will use this spray externally for more than 3 days, meaning our body absorbs very little MSM and is very well below the maximum dosage. So this is totally safe and effective way. Now we have added 5 grams in this. Stir it continuously. MSM, just like sugar, dissolves very quickly in water. See, it is totally dissolved and you can feel it just like water. Take this into a spray bottle of your choice. You can use glass or plastic bottle, but I prefer glass. It is sulfur water like onion juice, just without stinky smell. Spray this all over the scalp, covering the entire scalp. Spread it with fingers if needed. It dries out very quickly in 5 minutes. After that, style your hair the way you like. Use this daily 2 times or more to get all the hair growth and hair regrowth benefits of MSM. So simple, easy and effective. Thank you. If you like this video, please hit like button, subscribe and come back for more interesting videos. Love to see you again.